How you doing, Jocelyn? This is Eric here with Tameron Honda and Hoover. I want to thank you so much for your internet request on this 2017 Honda Civic. This vehicle has not gone through my reconditioning and detail process yet, so you're going to be able to see it just how the previous owner traded it in. Just wanted to shoot you a quick video to introduce myself, as well as go over a few features. You're going to get your halogen high beam headlights here, as well as your daytime running light strip right here on the outside. Great set of tires on the vehicle. Has these nice breakaway mirrors. If you take a look here on the inside, you can see that they kept it extremely clean on the inside of here. That screen right there is going to show you all of your media options, your Bluetooth, your backup camera. You're going to be able to set speed dial, set voice tags, do whatever you need to do to be as hands-free as absolutely possible while you drive. And if you take a look here in the rear, you get plenty of space. The Civic can comfortably seat up to about 4 people. Power windows and locks all around, and a great amount of trunk space here. And if you need to actually extend that trunk space, you can pull this small lever here and it will actually fold that rear seat down, giving you as much storage space as you could possibly need. Give me a call as soon as you can, Jocelyn. I would love the opportunity to put this vehicle on the road with you so we can put it in your driveway. My number is 205-756-1005, or you can reach me by email at ejocelyn@tameron.com. And Jocelyn here at Tameron Honda and Hoover, we do business one way, and that's the right way. You're going to love the way you're treated.